Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm doing a black and gold TableScape. This is a video collab with KOOPOWER. They sent me those boxes of LED light, and guys, you know I like to add LED light in my home. They are very easy to hang in the curtains. You can change the light in so many colors that you want. Okay guys, let's get started. I'd like to take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. And if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I would never be where I am today. Thank you so much and keep on watching. Most of the stuff that I use, I already have them at the house, and I'm going to leave the link of some of them in the description box down below for you guys and the places where I buy them. The plates come from Home Goods, the chargers from Hobby Lobby, the table warmer from Amazon, and I got my place made from Mat. I love this place because you find everything that you need. Either you make a party or you decorate your house. Guys, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. C'est la première fois là, moi dis bienvenue. Si vous habituez venir là, moi dis merci un peu pour le support. Si vous pouvez faire ça, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Merci. This is the finished look guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it.